Let us go with our new chapter, trigonometric equations. Maximum here we will get 2 marks for 2 questions. Okay. At the before we need to know the solutions, principal solution, general solution of the trigonometric equations like this. Okay. Equation for equation. Okay. These are the basic formulas. Principal solution and the general solution. Okay. Let observe. Suppose the first one. Here the sin theta equals to k. Now here k belongs to sin theta equals to k is nothing but the range of sin theta is always between where k belongs to what? -1 less than or equals to k less than or equals to 1. Yes or no? And the second one, for cos theta also we know the range of cos theta is always between -1 and +1. Okay. And the third one, then tan theta equals to, if k, that is the one of the equation, then k belongs to what? K belongs to r. Okay. Then and fourth one, for cot theta equals to k, then here also k belongs to r only. Okay. And the fifth one, sec theta equals to k, we know already. Now it is a like -1 and 1 cos theta. For sec theta they are reciprocals, yes or no? Okay, they are reverse. K belongs to, now k belongs to how? K belongs to -∞, comma -1 closed interval 1 comma infinity, remember. Okay, except -1 comma 1 interval. Okay, open interval. Okay, let sixth one, for cosec also same like this, because of cos and sin have the same ranges. Okay, then k belongs to -∞, comma -1 open interval closed interval 1 comma infinity. Okay, these are the actually ranges. Okay, then principal solution of sin theta equals to k equation. Okay, here we have the theta belongs to -π/2 comma π/2. Okay, maximum total values of sin theta between -1 and 1 definitely we will get from -π/2 comma π/2 interval. Okay, and also for cos theta belongs to, remember here theta belongs to 0 comma closed interval 0 comma pi. Okay, maximum, suppose minimum for cos 0, here 1, maximum, sorry, not only maximum, minimum. For 0 we have 1, cos 0 is a 1, cos pi is a -1. Okay, the values are between 0 and pi. Then tan theta equals to pi. For tan theta equals to pi we will get always capital R, between where theta belongs to here -π/2 comma π/2, remember, because of not included π/2s. For all π/2s, for all odd π/2s, the tan does not exist. Okay, because of tan π/2 is the infinitive, that's enough. Okay, let cot theta equals to k. Now here theta belongs to open interval 0 comma pi, open interval 0 comma pi. And for sec, now sec like a cos, here theta belongs to, for sec theta belongs to 0 comma pi, the 0 comma pi, but suppose cos 0 is a 1, then 1/cos 0, 1/cos 0 is a, cos 0 equals to suppose 1. Okay, then 1/cos 0, 1/cos 0 is a 1/1, and suppose pi, cos pi is a 1 -1, 1 by cos pi, it should be 1 by minus 1, that is a minus 1. But between pi by 2 is there, yes or no? For cos pi by 2, cos, where cos is a 0? For cos pi by 2, for cos pi by 2, that is a 0, then 1 by cos pi by 2 does not exist. So, theta belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi, but except pi by 2 value here, because of sec pi by 2 does not exist. Okay, then here also same like this, theta belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay, when the value of sine is a 0, for 0 sine 0 is a 0, so sine 0 is a 0, but 1 by sine does not exist, yes or no? So when the cosec is does not exist except the 0 value 0. Okay, it's enough. Let us go with general solutions. Now for sine, general solution is here theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha. If sin theta equals to k equals sin alpha, suppose it is a sin alpha, then theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha. Okay, and also cos theta equals to k equals to cos alpha, then theta equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, just 2n pi plus or minus alpha. For tan we have theta equals to n pi plus alpha. For tan we have n pi plus alpha. For cot also same like this, theta equals to n pi. Okay, just we need 3 only. Okay, suppose we have 3 formulas are there, general solutions are there. Now the reciprocals also same like that, but here some conditions are applied, but here not. Okay, now for sec we have like cos 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, and for cosec like sine, yes or no? Now n pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha. Okay, just we need only 3 general equation. You must remember these 3. Now remaining are the reciprocals, yes or no? For reciprocals we can applying the sine, cos, tan. Okay, for cot we can applying the for tan 1. Okay, for sec we can applying cos 1. Okay, for cosec we can applying the sine 1. Okay, now these are the conditions also must remember. These are useful for all the trigonometric functions. Okay, in anywhere. Okay, and also we have, now here remember, here alpha is nothing but what? Actually the function is like this, the equation sin theta equals sin alpha, then that equals k. For sin theta equals sin alpha, now here alpha is the principal solution, yes or no? Here alpha is the principal solution, then the n is nothing but n belongs to z. Remember here n belongs to z. Okay, for all n belongs to z. For every equation we have one alpha value, that is a principal solution. Now principal solutions are like this. Okay, and also we have more equations like this, sin square theta equals sin square alpha, or cos square theta equals cos square alpha, tan square theta equals to tan square alpha. For this type of equations we cannot apply these general solutions. Okay, because of for square functions, for square equation we have the separate general solution is theta equals to n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, now this is the square functions. Okay, and also common solution of two functions, any function, suppose giving sin theta equals sin alpha, cos theta equals cos alpha. Find the common solution of sin theta equals sin alpha, cos theta equals cos alpha, like any 2. Okay, for every 2 equations we have one common solution, that is nothing but theta equals to 2n pi plus alpha. Okay, now this is a common solution because of theta is always between 0 and 2 pi. 0 and 2n pi. Between 0 and 360, no, yes or no? Okay. Now theta equals to 2n pi plus or plus alpha. So here n belongs to always, for all n belongs to z. Okay. This is must you remember these simple conditions. Okay. Now we can using these formulas doing. Okay, let us do some problems in there. Tan square theta equals to root 3 plus root 3 minus 1 into tan theta. And theta lies, we know tan theta value lies in minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 interval. Then theta equals to which interval in this? Okay, we have to choose one option in this. Now which strategy can applied here? It is a lengthy process to do the problem in regular method, but here I can apply one strategy, that is substitution method, verification method. Okay, suppose in the place of theta equals to, right, pi by 3, tan square 60 is nothing but root 3 whole square, yes or no? Okay, and also it is a root 3 plus root 3 minus 1, okay, and root 3, yes or no? Okay, root 3, it is a 3 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 minus root 3. Okay, these are cancelled, 3 equals to 3. Okay, now definitely we should apply tan theta equals to pi by 3. Theta equals to pi by 3 enough. Is minus pi by 4 satisfy this equation? Is minus pi by 4 satisfy equation or not? Let observe, tan square theta equals to minus pi by 4, it should be 1, yes or no? Okay, it is a root 3 plus root 3 minus 1 into, it is a minus 1 actually. Okay, 1 equals to root 3 minus root 3 plus 1. Okay, get cancelled, 1 1. Okay, now option is second one clearly. Okay, now go with let us go with the next one. The general value of theta satisfies the equation tan theta tan 120 plus theta tan 120 minus theta equals to 1 by root 3 is. Actually here we can apply one formula. Now it is nothing but tan theta plus tan 60 plus theta, 60 minus theta formulas are there, yes or no? Okay, now for 60 multiples, suppose 120, 60, 120, 240 and 300, just tan, that equals to tan 3x, yes or no? Tan 3a or tan, here theta no, so that's why tan 3 theta. Clearly tan theta equals to 1 by root 3, then 1 by root 3 equals to tan, which value is 1 by root 3? Tan 30. Okay, yes or no? Tan 30 is a 1 by 3. Then 3 theta equals to pi by 6 is a principal solution. The general solution is theta equals pi by 18, actually principal solution, no need it, we need general solution. Okay, the general solution is nothing but 3 theta equals to, actually the formula is what? Theta equals to n pi plus alpha. Okay, this is the solution for tan theta equals to tan alpha. Now here 3 theta equals to pi by 6. Now here alpha equals to what? Pi by 6 actually. In the place of theta equals to, remember 3 theta. Okay, here we can doing some mistake here. Don't write theta alpha equals pi by 18 here. In the place of theta equals to, you can write 3 theta. In the place of alpha equals to, you can write pi by 6. Remember, okay, n pi plus pi by 6 only. Now we can dividing with 3. Okay, theta equals to n pi by 3 plus pi by 18. Okay, for all n belongs to z. Okay, this is a solution for given function, given equation. Okay, which one is a correct one? Okay, actually here simplified function is there, simplified answer is there, so that's why we can simplifying. We need actually which one here? Pi by 18, no. Okay, pi by 3 common, suppose pi by 3 is a common, pi by 3 common, there we have what? Now n plus pi by, sorry, pi by n plus n plus 1 by 6. Okay, now it is nothing but 6 into n, 6n plus 1 by 6n plus 1 by pi by 3. Actually is here 6 into 3 is 18. So the first one is a solution. Okay, actually answer is enough, but here simplified answer is there. Okay, let us go with the next one. If x is real, cos theta equals x plus 1 by x, then which option is suitable? Theta is an acute angle, theta is an right angle, theta is an obtuse angle, theta not exist. Okay, let us choose one. By which strategy can be applied here? Let observe here, actually cos theta is less than or equals to 1, yes or no? Okay, x plus 1 by x is also less than or equals to 1 by applying this strategy, by applying this condition. But actually x plus 1 by x, already we said, already we discussed one number, one positive number, okay, a sum of positive number with their reciprocal should be greater or equals to 2, yes or no? So our given condition, this condition is absurd. Okay, it is wrong. So theta does not exist for given function. Okay, let us go with more problems. Let us do more problems here. This type of problems, for this type of problems we cannot be applied our regular strategies. For this type of problems, there one logic is there. Suppose this problem, in this problem cos x plus cos y equals to 1, cos x cos y equals to 1 by 4. Number of, definitely we can choose one general solution. Okay, in general solution it is a what? Alpha value, principal solutions. These are principal solutions. Suppose principal solutions are satisfies these equations, definitely one of the answer is here. Okay, suppose in the place of x equals to y equals to apply pi by 3, in the place of x equals to y equals to pi by 3, then it one becomes as a cos pi by 3, cos pi by 3, cos 60 is a 1 by 2. Now it is a similarly cos 60 is a 1 by 2, then that equals to 1, yes or no? Satisfied. At the same time 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 4. Okay, now x equals y equals to pi by 3 is possible principal solution. Then the general solution is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 to m pi plus or minus pi by 3 for all n belongs to z, for all m belongs to z. Okay, this is the logic. Now here the general solution of sin power 100x minus cos power 100x equals to 1 is, now here also we applied one strategy, that is, let observe, sin power 100x equals to 1 plus cos power 100x, no? Yes or no? Remember sin power 100x, sin x value always between minus 1 comma 1 and also including minus 1 comma 1, yes or no? Sin x belongs to, sin x is a greater or equals to 1, is greater or equals to 1? Sin x value is less or equals to 1, okay? Between minus 1 and 1, just we need this one. Sin x value is less than or equals to 1. Definitely sin power 100x value also less than or equals to 1. But it is a greater or equals to 1. Yes or no? When it one becomes as a sin x less than or equals to 1, when cos x is a 0, it is equals to 0, then it should be sin x less than or equals to 1, equals to 1. Yes or no? Then sin x equals to 1. It is equals to 0. Then cos x equals to 0. For cos x equals to 0, for cos x equals to 0, we have one formula separate, cos x equals to 0. For cos x equals to 0, then x equals to, the general solution is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, for all n belongs to z. Okay, remember. x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 for all n belongs to z. Okay, so which one is correct? 2n plus 1 pi by 2 already simplified here. Now n pi plus pi by 2, n belongs to z is nothing but integers, I means integers. Okay, let us go with the third option. Okay, cos x equals 0. Cos x equals 0 equation have a separate solution, remember. Okay, now here the smallest positive x satisfying log cos x sin x plus log sin x cos x equals to 2. Okay, simple. Observe here the equation. When it one becomes as a 2, simple, it is a 1, it is a 1, yes or no? When base and number are equal in log, that equals to 1, value is a 1, yes or no? Log, suppose it is a base is a sin x, log base sin x equals to 1. Log base sin x is a 1, or cos x also be a 1. That means we have to take like this, sin x equals to cos x. Okay, sin x equals to cos x. If sin x equals to cos x, then it should be 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2, yes or no? Okay, when sin x equals to cos x, definitely it should be a pi by 4. Okay, at pi by 4, at x equals to pi by 4, these are equal. Okay, then third one is our option. Okay, don't think too much for some problems. Okay, we should apply some logical points are here.